guys, welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with the easiest wig install that you're gonna ever see from me. This is a 5x5 lace closure from Luvme Hair. This is their new invisible lace, HD lace, and when I say it's giving scalp, it's giving scalp. The wig came pre-plucked and the knots were already bleached. So this is an ideal wig for all my beginners out there. Ladies or gentlemen who want to get into the wig game, this wig is for you guys. Not only is this hair the bomb, this lace, you guys, the lace stops right here. I didn't even cut all the lace off, but the lace is giving invisible. And it's not glued down, just so you guys are aware. I did not glue the wig down. I don't know why I always do that. This wig literally took me like 3 minutes to put on. Granted, the video is a little longer because I'm talking, but I hope you guys enjoy. And I hope that this gives you the confidence to do your own wig. Literally, we didn't glue it down. Everything is already like ready for you. And yeah, so let's get right into the video.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
So you guys, we're back with another Luvme Hair install. Looking over to the side so I can let you guys know exactly which wig this is going to be. This is the 5x5 deep wave undetectable invisible lace glueless closure lace wig, real HD lace. I am super excited because I already took a peek at this wig and it came pre-plucked and it came bleached. Like the knots already came bleached. So this is more of their trying to make wigs more beginner friendly, make you be able to feel like you can do it, and that's what I'm here for. I'm just hoping that you guys can have the confidence to put on your wigs as well. I'm gonna briefly show you guys what comes in the box and then we're gonna get straight into this install. They do give you a really luxurious looking wig. Your wig does come in a Luvme Hair wig bag, and they also gave us some goodies this time. They gave us this little headband. This is supposed to help your wig not slip. Let me show you guys real quick. This little band is supposed to help your wig not slip. So we're gonna try this out today. A nice fluffy comb that we'll use to poof up our hair. Wow, so they gave us a double stack of lashes. The bottom ones look like the lashes that I be wearing. Us a cute little silk scrunchie. Oh, you guys stop playing. We got some sparkly earrings that I will be wearing, phone clip, and then some press on nails. So that was a pleasant surprise. You know, that was exciting. Let me briefly show you guys this wig and then we are going to hop into this install. Super pretty. This is straight out of the package. I have not washed it. I have not done anything to the wig yet because the knots did come pre-plucked. As you guys can see, the inside is a nice brown shade. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It does have an adjustable strap and some adjustable straps at the bottom in case you guys want to use those to adjust. Hey guys, so like I said, today I do have on a wig cap, you guys. Surprise, surprise, I normally don't. As you guys can see, we just add it to our hairline. Okay. That was easy enough. And it's low-key giving bald cap. I didn't glue down the bald cap. I just put the bald cap on. I think bald caps are important if you have hair because it allows you to be able to part the hair wherever you like and it keeps it very natural. Look at that lace. I did put this little wig cap thing on. Ooh, it's making it tight and snug, you guys. This is nice. Look at this lace. This lace is giving a scalpiana. God, look how easy that was. So we just put it on. The hair is gorgeous. For one, oh my God. Straight out of the. These curls are giving luscious. This lace is giving clear. And that little band that I have on, that band is game changer when it comes to glueless wigs. Literally, it feels so snug, so secure on my head. I don't feel like this wig is going anywhere. Like, it's not going anywhere, you guys. You know what I mean? The curls are giving curlicious. This is cute. This is cute, you guys. Stop playing. I actually don't even have a mirror in front of me, but I wanted you guys to just see the beginning of the hairline. I did not pluck anything. And it's giving, look at that. Well, granted, you can see the this little band that I can pull backwards because we don't need that all on our hair. But it's definitely making the wig feel secure. Like the wig is literally not going anywhere. So look at the hairline. It's already pre-plucked and it's already bleached, but can you see that lace? It's giving invisible. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Okay, so for all my ladies out there who, you know, first time wig review. Look at this. First time wig wearers and don't really know what to do, don't really want much to do. That's bomb. Just cut at the hairline, and I'm not even gonna cut all the lace off because I really don't have to. And I don't even have a mirror, you guys. I'm using my phone. So you guys, I'm currently just cutting off the lace, and I left a bunch of lace on, as you guys may or may not be able to see. I left some lace on. I'm gonna just quickly just spray some of my coconut oil into the hair. I really don't even want to like mess up the curls because they are giving gorgeous. So I'm going to just briefly add a little razzle dazzle, especially to the ends. This stuff smells so good. And I didn't do anything. You guys can see that the knots are bleached in the middle. So I am just spraying it to the ends because during the process of it getting to me, I do feel like, honey. Okay, let's zoom out real quick just so you guys can see the length. Was that easy? Or was that easy? I know that this was a super quick tutorial, but I just wanted you guys to see in real time how I was able to slay this wig. No baby hairs. The wig is giving scalp. When I say this hair is growing out of my scalp, when I say this hair is the bomb. You guys, and look at the parting space. It is, like they said, 5x5, so it's definitely giving beefy part. This is nice. This is definitely a great throw on and go everyday wig. Like I said, I don't feel like it's going anywhere. I hope that with all their closure wigs, they give this little textured thing because I feel like that's a game changer. Not only is this invisible lace a game changer, especially for women who don't know how to make their wigs look natural, lace is beautiful. The wig itself is beautiful. I love Luvme Hair. I love the fact that they use like virgin hair donors, so you can know that every wig that you get is going to be human hair. Granted, it's a little bit pricey, but it's definitely worth it. All the Luvme wigs that I have, gorgeous. They're my favorite wigs ever. And you guys, what are your thoughts? Do you guys like it? Have you guys ever tried a closure wig? What are your thoughts on closure wigs? Personally, I feel like if you're a working woman or even a mom and you want to spruce up your look real fast, this took me less than 5 minutes to do. Granted, the video might be a little longer because I'm talking, but overall, I just cut the lace off, and I didn't even cut the lace off all the way. Like, I have some lace, the lace stops right here, but the lace is so invisible and it's so bomb that you don't even see that. So, and then the cool thing about it is I can make the hair bigger and bigger. Like, I could continue to make the hair big, but I don't really want to. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's quick video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I'll have everything linked below in case you guys are interested. But I am absolutely in love with this curl pattern. I didn't really know how I was gonna feel about the 5x5 lace closure, but I am here for it. This invisible lace is a game changer. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV, I'ma have them on the run like jdevincicollabs.